Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So I think what I'm going to do, because I can, while I'm here, I'll turn on the monitor, turn on the 64, turn on this disk drive, which, by the way, this disk drive, I know it has a really short board in it. How do I know? Because of the noises that it makes and the things that it does. So when I was going through things, I found this. It's never been opened. At least, well, it doesn't look like it's been. It has, actually, it looks like it has a read-write sticker holding it shut. Has it been opened before? I don't know. I don't think so. And, oh, it's got cardboard behind it to protect it. And supposedly its cups are worth at least 30 pounds. There is the disc. Commodore Disk User, Volume 1, Number 5. C64 owners, load menu, comma 8, comma 1, C128. Owners, type Go 64 and then follow the above. Oh, yeah, just like most things for the the 128. Proceed to 64 mode. Ah, funny, I see on here. There was a program I remember I found years and years and years and years and years ago, and I don't remember what it was called, but I could put comments on directories. And it was very helpful, I thought, for debug disk, so that people just, if all they knew how to do was load the directory, you could put other things in there that would help them along. Looks like these people do the same. Commodore Disk User number 5. So, I guess, oh no, it's funny, it's different. On here it says that I should load asterisk, quote, comma, 8, type run for menu. Whereas it said other things before. What do you mean? What happened here? What is that crazy thing? Okay, new. Now, that did not go well. And it changed the color of the screen. Okay, so, alright, I'm going to do what it said before. I'm going to load menu, quote, comma 8, comma 1. Oh yeah. Oh, we have a menu. See, it's a funny thing. It's a funny thing. Sometimes instructions. Funny, and also, see, a disk drive, they say load, quote, asterisk, quote, comma 8, comma 1. Well, a disk drive does have some memory in there. It has a little bit of a brain. And if you've been doing other things, it may remember the file that you were last using. So, anyway. All right, the thing I was most interested in is disk toolkit. So, I will load it, and I will see. Maybe a valuable utility disk. Although, one of the best utility disks, I think, that I ever had anything to do with was the debug disk CU1. I would bet there are tens of, or there were tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of copies of that out there. I would bet. All right, so we are loading. At least I think, oh, we are running. The screen is doing funny things. What drive number will you be using throughout? Oh, 8 to 14. Well, I'm going to take this disk out because I don't want to hurt it. I'm going to say 8. 8. I said 8. here. Interesting. It seems to be stuck. Alright, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to turn this off. I did notice weird things came on the screen before when I loaded the menu as suggested. And I'm not saying that there's a conflict with the cartridge I had in there, but there might have been. Oh, another thing I should probably do, I had this turned down a bit. Hang on. Okay, we're going to load menu, quote, comma, 8, comma, 1. We'll see if anything weird comes up on the screen. Oh yeah, weird stuff comes up on the screen. Menu, okay. Disk toolkit. Hey. Okay, so the cartridge had nothing to do with the weird stuff on the screen. Maybe it should not have been loaded that way, even though somewhere I said to do that. Well, maybe I'll have to do this again. I just don't know. But it's weird, because the 64 is working fine. Now, oh, I must remember, this is from United Kingdom. I wonder if there's anything weird. I will be using 8. Oh, look at that, 8. Okay, let's take this out. The routines with the plus indicate you need to reload the utility after each alter drive number, append files, convert numbers, directory commands, diskette check, disk commands, disk file locate, driver speed check, error checker, file copier. Oh, header and ID changer, cool, ID checker, MC data maker, MC monitor, multi-scratch, program hider, ooh, program toolkit, protect files, read sequencer files, unscratch files, ooh, WP diskette, X-ray file, 1541 editor, alter colors. Let us alter the colors. 0. Well, that's fine. I don't know what to put in. Okay, that's not what I had in mind at all. Alter colors. 0, 0. Let's try 1. That's what we're after. Okay. Interesting. You know, there's not much on this disc. But yes. I think it would be a sequential file. Validate disk. Yes. Okay. Reinsert utility disk into drive. Press any key. Continue. Alright. I'm thinking I really should. Oh, okay. We have done that. Okay, so now, wait a second. Dir commands. this directory to screen. Oh, 1. Insert required disk, press any key. Test file. I don't really need to put that back in there. Write invisible directory to disk. Write a no directory load text files against scratching. Read and change disk header. Return to menu. Interesting. Well, you know what I think I should do, quite promptly? Make a copy of this disk. I do. I do indeed. Let's try error checker. Insert disk to check. I believe this will count up to 35. Maybe. That completed. Oh, interesting. Okay, yeah, this is definitely. Oh, by the way, this came out January 86. And oh, maybe April 88. Interesting. Yes, this indeed is worthy of going into the collection of disk utilities. Funny, I see file copier. I don't see. Well, this I should. I'm gonna put this back in its container. I'm gonna put it with my collection here of disk things. I know there's other things on here, and what I'm going to do at some point soon is hook up 2 drives and copy the whole disk. Alright, I'll put that in there. This is a blank disk. You know what I should do? Because I can, and I'm here, unless this is going to disrupt things here. And this might disrupt things here. Oh dear. Oh, maybe not. I have here a whole whack. I guess there was 50 brand new disks. Never used, no sleeves, in plastic. The plastic can go. Some of them I will have used to test things. Most of them not so. Oh, there's a. Oh, that's interesting. There's an ugly little mark. I wonder how that came about. What it is. Has it ruined the disk? And it might have. I wonder what it's from. Mind you, it's on the top of the disk. What do we have here? Disk commands. F. We are going to new the disk. Insert required disk. Press any key. This name. This name. ID. AV. Working. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, I have this box here with all the separators and dividers, is I'm going to pop some of these between these separators and dividers. Not too many, but some of them, so that they can be here and they can be in the storage thing, and I can make use of them as necessary. And this can format. Perhaps I will put this disk too. There's nothing on here that is necessary. These are all, as they would say, scratch disks. And you see there was a mark on the top of the disk. And chances are it won't make any difference because the 1541, the head is on the bottom. This is the bottom of the disk that gets used. And so it takes a while. But I suspect. Oh, copy. I wouldn't mind copying the disc. I think what I'll do though, I'll use Copy All, which is a program that Jim Butterfield wrote years ago. And is it fast? No. Reinsert utility, just press any key. Yeah, I don't need it. Copy, rename, initialize. Um, 6. Disk commands, stir commands, D. List the directory to the screen. So there's nothing on the disk. Reasonable. Very reasonable. Alright, well, and it didn't come up with any errors. So I'm sure. Now how do I quit? How do I quit? Yeah, that. Why? Nope. Is there a Q? Program toolkit. After the toolkit is loaded and has been activated, type in new. Type new. You still wish to use this utility with the toolkit activated, then after that, you cannot have the toolkit and the machine code monitor resident on the computer. Are you sure you want this routine? No. Well, I think at this moment I'm going to turn this off. And then I'm going to turn it back on. All I want to do is load the directory and see that indeed it did format. It's fine. It's dandy. And whatever that little mark is doesn't matter. So these disks can go into the disk folder and it's all out of the way. Not that everything else is out of the way here. Anyway, I have much to do, much to look through, much to explore. So I will keep doing that. Anyway, thanks for coming. You have a lovely, lovely day. We'll see you back here in the TV room for as long as we are able. Disk drives are a good thing to lean on. They are. And by the way, this is the hat I take to movie sets when I'm playing a homeless character. Can you imagine? All right, enough for now. Gotta go back downstairs and clear more stuff from the hallway so I can finish getting stuff out of the car from the world of Commodore, which is now many weeks ago. Yeah, I know. All right, thanks for coming. Bye for now.